What's up, y'all? It's that Lake Hickory guy. So I went trout fishing at this place. This is my first time there. I've never been there before. It's up in Asheville. It's my first time. We got up there, we did not know where to hit, so we walked around fish. Me and my cousin, we just walking around fishing, and we found a spot where it looked like they were staged up at, right? And man, everything was hitting, like custom magic jigs, Bobby Garland, Strike Kings, any kind of crappie jigs you could think of. They were hitting, you know, just straight tails, curly tails, spinners, rooster tails, spoons, almost everything. But we did caught a few. We caught some pretty good ones. We only got one on footage because my battery died, but hopefully this video that you guys are about to watch give you guys some tips of what I'm using. And let's get rolling. So I did walk around this side. I didn't catch anything. I'm looking for the bigger ones, but looks like all the fish are on this side. Like they're on this side right here. I did see a couple guys catch some over there, but not a whole lot. But this side's got more action. People using spoons, spinners, jerk baits, everything. But okay, so I got a bigger jig head, one in 16th custom magic jig. I might super glue this. I might have to, because I know they're gonna hit it like crazy. But test it out first, like that. Got a Kuying Teton 2-piece 6'4" ultra light Stradic CI4 1000 with 4-pound test. Right here, all the way out there. This is like jig it, slow roll jig. So what, bro? What'd you say? Trying to get one on these. Oh, okay.
I didn't say Simon says.
There we go. There's one on custom magic jigs. Yep. No. Custom magic jigs, baby. Get in touch with my boy Charlie. Shout out to him.
Purchase your tracks today.
They ain't big, but it's fun to catch them, you know. There you guys go. I'll take it off. It's looking good. Right there. Nice brick. Them fish are starting to warm up. Right there, Johnny. Right there, right there. Your ring iced up? Is your ring iced up?
I didn't say Simon says.
Dang it. Try different techniques. I'm gonna try just jigging it like crazy, see if they hit that too. I usually never do. Jigging it like crazy like this.
Purchase your tracks today.
There you go. Jigging it like crazy, they just pick it up.
I didn't say Simon says.
That's a nice one. On an ultralight rod, of course, always the best. Whoa. all the way over here. Fix my drag. Just pop, 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 pop. I guess they like it like that. Pop, 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 pop. 1, 2, 1, 2.
I didn't say Simon Says.
Oh, right there. Pop it again. I wasn't paying attention. They're a little bit farther out. They're kind of far out, huh? Yeah, kind of far out, but that's what makes it fun.
Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah. Right there, custom magic jig.
Simon Says.
It's a nice one. Flip them up. There you guys go. Bring them right back. Same thing. So these fish, if you don't throw it out far enough, they won't hit it either. So you gotta reach out to them. They're about, maybe, I'll say about 30 yards out maybe. But they're hitting pretty good. Not pretty bad. All right, I'm gonna switch the colors up. Custom magic jigs again. Taking this one off. I've done caught a few. I'll try a different color. Put it back in the box. Throw everybody's favorite right here. It's everybody's favorite. Chartreuse right here. That's everybody's favorite. That's all around color right here. Put it through. Like that. Just like that. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a killer. They dropped about 2 seconds only. Got a bigger jig head now. Jigging it too low. Oh, turn them on right there. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, I came back for it. Oh. Oh my God, they're smacking this chartreuse like crazy. They're nibbling it like crazy still. Run it back, run it back, run it back. Jig, jig, jig. Jig, jig, jig. Slow roll, jig, jig, jig. Damn. Damn, look at that. Double up. Triple up, baby. Right there. Nice one. Ooh, you jumping and everything. Right there. Nice brook. Custom magic jigs. When it bite like this, don't want to go home, bro. Try to make it farther out. Can't even make it farther out. Oh, there's a nice one. No, it ain't big. He just came and hit it. And I got him on the side. That's a nice old brown. Yep, got him on the side. There you go. Right back. Jig, 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 jig. All right, there you go. Oh, they like this chartreuse. Number one. Straight slabbing it, man. A nice old brown again. Matter of fact, catch bigger ones too. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a nice one. They're all nice ones. 5 pounder, dude. 5 pounder. It's a 5 pounder right here, dude. Look at that. Oh, 5 pounder. Oh. Another brown. They stocked a lot of brown in here. Morning. Man, what fish is that? Like number 30? Yeah. Dang, we killing it, man. They're all like right in front of you, like just us right here. They're not moving or nothing. They're just staging up right here. Look at that. Ooh, this one fight hella good. Holy. Oh, big mama, no. Big mama. Yeah, dude. I did that, yo. Oh my God. This was big. Oh my God, bro. I didn't bring my net. Oh my God. Go ask that guy in the chair for a net. Go. Go. Yeah, the guy right there. Tell him if he gives me it, I give him this fish. Come on. Go, go. Right there, the guy in the wheelchair. Run to him. Ask for a net. Hurry. It's hella big, dude. Come on, John. Run, fool. It's got to be at least 3, I say. But then my raw is real small, my lines. Come on, John. Run! Run! I gotta keep playing with him. Alright. You can't fuck it up now. Come right here. Come right here. I'm gonna get this fish one. Ooh, this was nice. I'm gonna try to bring it close. Oh! Ooh! Can you get him right there? Hit him in the head, in the head, in the head, in the head first. Oh, baby! Oh, dude! What? Yeah. Look at that, custom magic jigs. Good 3-pounder. Want this fish, sir? You know? Oh, sorry, I had to ask for the net. Yeah. I was gonna give it away if you let me use your net.
I personally don't want it.
Okay.
Maybe one of these gentlemen or ladies would.
Okay. Thank you so much for letting me use your net. Gonna be a nice one on my Kuying Teton. Man, I'm not keeping it, but I'll give it away. Here, take a quick picture of me, John. I knew it had to be big. Yeah, I'll give it to the... Here. Hold on. Right here. Good? Look. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Alright. I'll give it away. Anybody want this one? You want it? Yeah. 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 That Joseph? Oh, what's up, bro? Yeah. You got a nice one right there, too. There you go. You go ahead and keep this big boy right here.
It's a monster.
There you go.
Hopefully, looks got one.